Did you know you can create Hollywood-level explosion effects using just flour and a hairdryer? Today we're executing a masterful cinematic sequence using advanced pyrotechnic substitutes, also known as baking soda and vinegar. Notice how I'm positioning this household fan for optimal atmospheric displacement. The dramatic lighting comes from this sophisticated illumination device, better known as a desk lamp. And now, for the pièce de résistance, we'll capture this explosive moment in glorious slow motion as our volcanic eruption cascades majestically across my kitchen counter. Pure cinema magic, people.